Ever wondered if you could completely wipe your credit history clean? Maybe you're starting over financially, or perhaps you're just tired of the constant credit pulls. Whatever your reason, you are probably thinking, can I just delete my Transunion account? Well, the short answer is, not exactly. But don't click away just yet. There's a lot to unpack here. Let's dive into what you can do to manage your credit information with Transunion. First off, it's important to understand that you don't actually own your credit report. It's a compilation of data collected from various sources like banks, credit card companies, and utility providers. Transunion, along with Equifax and Experian, are the three major credit bureaus responsible for maintaining these reports. So, while you can't delete your entire Transunion account, you can dispute inaccurate information. This is a crucial step in protecting your credit score. If there are errors, like late payments that aren't yours or accounts that don't belong to you, you have the right to challenge them. To dispute information, you'll typically need to submit a dispute form either online or by mail. Make sure to provide as much detail as possible to support your claim. Keep copies of all correspondence for your records. Now, let's talk about something a bit more drastic, freezing your credit. This doesn't delete your information, but it does prevent new creditors from accessing your report. It's a good option if you're not actively looking for credit, but still want to protect yourself from identity theft. To freeze your credit, you'll need to contact each of the three credit bureaus individually. There's usually a fee involved, but it's often worth it for the peace of mind. Remember, when you freeze your credit, you'll need to lift the freeze temporarily for any new credit applications. But what about those persistent debt collectors? Can you block them from contacting you? Absolutely. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, FDCPA, gives you certain rights. If a collector is harassing you, you can send a cease and desist letter. Remember, it's essential to tread carefully when dealing with debt. Avoid falling for scams promising to delete your credit report for a fee. These are illegal and can actually harm your credit. While there's no magic wand to erase your credit history, understanding your rights and taking proactive steps can significantly improve your financial situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.